Hello guys, today I'm unboxing a Mercedes-Benz V-Class. It's a business car 1:18 scale. Wow, the box is really big. Let's open it. Heavy. Look at this paint, it's so shiny and realistic. The sliding doors open actually like in the real car. This V-Class is so different from sport cars, but it looks so cool. Let's compare it to the Range Rover. Range Rover has bigger wheels, but the Mercedes has a spacious interior. Which car do you like more? Thank you for watching my unboxing. See you next time!